Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, power seat dual, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, running boards. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.